Ladies and gentlemen, you could have been anywhere in the world tonight, but you're here with us doing trigonometry. Are you ready for some conics? The issue on the table. Circles, parabolas, ellipses, hyperbolas all have complex formulas to memorize. Circles, you have the floor.
Standard form, general form, center, radius. You gotta find all four, you shouldn't settle for less. Conics are important, slice a cone to find them. Don't act surprised, you guys, cause I wrote them. Now, but don't ever forget, the order of terms matters in general form. Now place your bets as to how that converts. Complete the square twice, and now you've got standard.
That's true.
Ooh, when it's standard, plot it, cause now you've got the center. It's h comma k. Here's the radius, students. Don't round the root, cause we got it squared in the equation.
In parabolas, no center, just vertex equidistant from the focus and directrix. The distance is A for A is LR. There's too many comic formulas for any man to understand. If X is first, it opens up or down. If the Y is first, it opens left or right. Look, if A is greater than 0, it opens up or right. Imagine what's going to happen when A is less than 0.
Thank you, parabola. Ellipse, you're next.
Parabola. That was some real nice memorization. Welcome to ellipse with A, B, and C. A being half the major axis and C squared equals A squared minus B squared. When A is under X, horizontal major axis, foci are between the two vertices. How do you not get it? If B is under X, the ellipse goes up and down. You'd rather graph a circle? A conics lesson from an ellipse. Hey students, your foci are separate because this ain't a circle. We plot vertices on the major axis we graph. Yeah, keep talking. We know who's really doing the plotting. And another thing, Mr. Age of Enlightenment, don't lecture me about conics. I don't need that. You think I'm frightened of you, man? Horizontal ellipses go. X minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Vertical, just switch the a squared and b squared.
Ellipse, my formula's better, son, so take your pluses. Amanda, switch the A and B because they're permanent. Sitting there on the transverse axis is the vertices, foci, and the center. X over A is horizontal.
Excuse me! Y over A is vertical. Asymptote is point slope. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Haley?
Sir?
A word. You don't have the focus.
You don't have the focus.
Ha ha ha.
You're gonna need to graph the hyperbola and you don't have the focus.
Such a blunder sometimes. It makes me wonder why I even graph the focus.
Why she even graphs the focus.
You want to do this problem together?
I'm sorry, I graphed the box and the asymptotes. Review, A is the distance from the center to the vertex, so C is the distance from the center to each focus.
You need the focus.
Now we need B. It's the distance from the center and the other axis endpoint. Draw two parabolas from the vertices.
Solving was easy, young man. Graphing's harder.
Here's how to recognize. A circle's first two terms are equal, but for parabola, one variable squared. Now for ellipse. The coefficients of x squared and y squared are different but positive. Hyperbola has one negative coefficient.
Sir, you figured it out.
Now that's a wrap on conics.